Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from I Repair Autos. Mercedes-Benz, they all have electrical issues. Some of them just pop out of nowhere. Today I'm gonna be going over a electrical issue on an ML350 Mercedes. This has to do with window motors, window switches, master switch. All of the windows in the car stopped working except for one suddenly. I'm going to show you how to go through, troubleshoot the issue step by step. So let's get started. Hey, if you like these videos, thumbs them up. If you find them helpful, I release a video every Monday. So subscribe so you don't miss another video. So putting your key to ignition 2 so that your cluster lights up. Plug in your iCar soft. We're going to do a diagnostics. So we're going to say yes on diagnose. Okay. Choose Benz, so 164M. Gasoline engine. Left hand steering. And we're going to go down to ML350 in my case. I'm going to say manual select for this select diagnostic mode. Say okay. I'm going to scroll down until I see the door control unit. It's a couple pages here. And I'm going to start with the front left because that's the master switch over there. It's not lit up. All the others are lit up. And I'm going to choose front left. I'm going to say okay. First thing I want to do, I want to look at the faults. So I'm going to say okay. Supply voltage of control unit is too low. So that could happen when you have a low battery. That's an old message. Left outside mirror ambient lamp. That's an old message. The bulb was blown. Fix that. Left exterior mirror turn signal lamp. Also an old message.
If you're not sure whether these messages are old or new, you can reset them. And I suggest resetting them so that you only get new errors.
No signal from component. Power window and outside mirror adjustment switch group. Now, this is suspect right here. It's saying that we don't have any power. No signal has come from that component, and that component is the master switch. So let's keep that in mind. Switching bus, at least one of the power window switches is stuck in the switch state. Contacts is stuck. Okay, so it's telling me that I have a faulty switch, essentially. And then the last one is at least one of the mirror adjustment switches is stuck in the switch states. So it's telling me that this module,
Master switch, the mirror selection button, either the left or the right, is stuck. In some cases, the actual door window buttons could be stuck, which the diagnostic tool would have indicated, but that's not the case here.
So let's escape out of that. We can go down to the actual values coming in just to check to see if we have power. Supply voltage, let's look at that. So it is getting 12 volts. So the fuse is good and the relay is also good. So the only thing left to do is to take a look at that switch. That's a new switch, relatively new.
The next step is to remove the door panel and replace the switch. I have a video on this already. I will not bore you with it, but will provide the link in the upper right corner and in the description below. In a future video, I will show you how to open this switch, clean it, replace the stuck contact, and have a working switch again.
Hey, if you like these videos, thumbs them up. If you find them helpful, I release a video every Monday. So subscribe so you don't miss another video.